what up? Alright guys, so we're back with another video. The LED Daymaker light that I ordered last week finally came in 2 days ago. I wasn't able to put it on yet due to the weather. It's been like 7 degrees out here. It's been brick. It's the light right here. So after we finish installing everything on and upload the video, the description is going to be down in the box in case you guys want to order this light. I got it from Amazon and I got it for $45, which isn't bad. I'm going to show you guys a visual of what the bike looks right now with the original light and then what it looks like with this one after. And the weather's pretty good, so hopefully I'll be able to take it for a run after this. Unfortunately, I don't have a garage. I keep my bike outside right here. It's a little difficult for me to get around and always, you know, maybe do some work on the bike or not. I gotta wait around for the weather. I haven't got a battery tender yet, so hopefully this battery's not dead. We're able to do this now. Alright, so this is what the original light looks like. And we'll put the high beam on. So much it lights up. So if you were here for my last video, you saw that we put on the headlight grill in the front. So being that I got the headlight grill on now and I took off the original cover, it's gonna be real easy to swap this light out for the other one. I'm just gonna loosen this up. He's gonna be very careful because the headlight just might pop right out. And this is what the Daymaker looks like. Basically, I'm gonna put this inside, plug this in, and that's it. So the headlight pops right out, and it's gonna have this plug here, which we're gonna take right out of here. Make sure to leave this cover on because you don't want to get any fingerprints on it. Before I close it back up, I'm gonna turn it on just to make sure it works properly. And that's with the high beam, low beam, high beam, low beam. So you're gonna want to take the light and you're gonna want to twist it all around so all these wires here could just cuddle up inside and it won't take up much space. Alright, so you're also gonna make sure that these 3 bulbs on top that are on right now are on the top. This is your low beam. Once your high beam turns on, obviously the bottom ones turn on. So make sure everything is right where it's supposed to be at. You can go ahead now. Cover off. I'm gonna put my grill back on. I ran into a little issue. The headlight itself inside is not as tight as I want it to be. So, I mean, I'm not gonna do it right now, but I'm gonna have to get some double-sided tape and put it on the seams inside so that way it will move. Because right now, I mean, I don't know, maybe when I'm riding, it might move around a little, as of now is it might work out. So I'll see how it is. All right, so we're gonna turn the bike around right now. We're gonna give you that before and after look, so you guys can see the difference. Alright, so this is with the LED Daymaker. This is low beam, high beam, low beam, high beam. So really big difference. Alright guys, so as you can see, a really big difference. Super happy I got that on right now. I'm gonna go take it off for a spin real quick. The next mod is gonna be in a week or two. I might either buy the saddlebag that goes on the side right here, or I might get the mini sissy bar, which goes off like this high. I'm gonna eventually get both of them, but I don't know which one to get first. So that's gonna be the next video, and then after I get one, obviously the next thing, and I got like 5 more mods that are coming up real quick. So if you're into mods, if you're into bikes, you're in the right place. All right guys, don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell button. It's gonna notify you anytime I have upload a new video. That's it.